Hi everyone, it's Chelsea here from Twinkl Crafts. Today I'm going to be sharing this Ramadan finger printing activity with you. This is a great Ramadan craft activity for younger children as they will love using finger painting to create a fun piece of art. This Ramadan finger painting art could be used on the front of a card or just as a standalone piece of creative work, ready to adorn the fridge. Click the link below to be taken to our template pack. These templates are the perfect size to make your Ramadan finger printing on a piece of A5 paper or for the front of an A5 DIY Ramadan greetings card. You will also need a piece of colourful A5 paper or card, some masking tape, and of course, some paint. First, place the templates in position on the piece of colourful paper. Then use masking tape to secure the templates in place. Try to have only a tiny piece of masking tape poking over the edge of the template. Now dive in and let your children try out this Ramadan finger printing activity. Encourage your children to add their fingerprints over the edge of the template so you get a crisp outline on the moon and star design. Finger painting is also a fab way of letting children practice mixing their colours. They can explore mixing using their finger as their paintbrush. Once you are happy that the edge of the templates has been covered by the finger painting, leave the paint to dry and start washing those hands. Once dried, peel away the templates from your Ramadan finger painting. You could choose to define the gap in the outline left by the masking tape with some colourful dabs of felt tip pen or extra painting to make the design really clear. Now you just need to decide the perfect way to present your Ramadan finger painting. We think they look wonderful on the front of cards. Trim the edges, stick to a folded piece of A4 card and add extra decorations to complete this fab Ramadan finger painting craft. We hope you love trying out this lovely Ramadan craft. Make sure to like and subscribe for more fun craft content and let us know how your Ramadan finger painting creations turn out at #TwinklCrafts. Have a lovely day and see you in your next craft project.